Home is where the heart is. So let's begin about the home page, the main page of the One Ultratech.
Yes, sure. The first glance of it looks very impressive.
Yes, and it is very informative too. Let us start with the home page, which is the main landing page, which gives you an overview of your business. We will get into detailed features.
Great! Can you tell me more?
Let us start with your profile. You can view your profile by clicking on the More tab and then clicking on the Profile section. You can view profile, company name, SAP code, staff details, your ABG card details and Ultratech provided insurance policy details. You can also add your photo from your gallery or through camera to display on your profile.
Ooh, that's so nice.
We will quickly glance through the home page where you will see primarily 5 most important details like orders, credit information, sales overview, network update and book services. First, let us go through orders.
I know ongoing orders are orders that are accepted by the company and in the process of getting dispatched. And dispatched orders are the ones that are already dispatched. But what do you mean when this shows pending acknowledgement?
This means that the order which you placed is yet to be confirmed by Ultratech.
This helps me so much. I can plan for informing my customers and retailers.
For further details on orders, we will discuss on the Order tab later. Let me briefly show you credit information. This detail plays a crucial role in your business decision. It is essential to monitor the credit outstanding, which means the amount due from you and available credit limit is the maximum value of orders that can be placed by you, so we know how much more orders can be placed.
That is so important for me, and sometimes it's so time consuming to arrange this information. Having it on my phone is handy and will fasten my work.
You have to hear still the best part where you can make better profits by availing cash discount, and those details are also available right here on your phone. Also, you can check cash discount details at the invoice level. For example, if you pay the total invoice amount of 1 lakh to avail, then the maximum cash discount available to you would be rupees 1000.
Wow, this is great. It will prompt me to avail the full benefit.
Now let's have a quick look at sales overview. This will help you to take a glance at your performance against the plan. I'm sure it will help you in increasing your sales.
Oh sure, it will help me keep an eye on the performance all the time.
Yes, in fact, it shows your monthly sales plan followed by sales compliance. In case if your compliance is low, it facilitates you with an asking rate for the balance days of the month to achieve the plan.
This can be of real help to plan my engagement with the network better.
Yes, precisely. Also, for more information, you can click on View Report to view detailed report of the sales.
Yes, and this is also showing me my previous month's sales.
Yes, sure. To get further details, we will need to click on the Sales tab at the bottom, where we will understand in depth later. As discussed with the help of Network Update section, you can plan your engagement with the network better. My Network Update, it gives details of retailers and influencers and their status of how many of them are active this month. The green color indicates that the performance has been better, and red means that there is a drop in your performance compared to last month. For more details about the network, you can click on the View Retailers or View Influencer tab. By clicking on this tab, you can view your top 10 retailers or influencers, and then you can also filter your active and inactive retailers or influencers. By clicking on Filter, you will be able to view a complete list as per your selection.
Oh, is it? This will help me manage my network better, but I wonder how can we make inactive retailers active?
Well, very important for the business to make them active again. Just get in touch with them regularly. Now, coming back to the home page, you can view your new influencers.
Okay, yes, my new influencers details are important too. They have just started lifting.
You can view all of them here, and also you can add new influencers for the loyalty program. by clicking Add New Influencer tab and just fill few details. Take their photo and upload, while at the back end we will process the same.
That's great. This makes me adding influencers to the loyalty program simple and continual.
In the app, we will have two types of leads. First, where you will assign and give IHB leads to Ultratech for better servicing. And the second are the leads provided to you by Ultratech team.
Yes, by providing these leads, we can ensure better sales.
Yes, and through the app, you can keep track of your leads and ensure they are converted to sales. You can also see the leads generated by you along with lead potential.
This will undoubtedly help me grow my business further.
If any IHB approaches you for services like mobile concrete lab or water testing, site demo, ask the expert and Vastu. You can help them easily by booking the service from the Book Service tab, by selecting the service and filling the details.
So now by booking for service through the app, I can give more services to the customer.
Yes, you can. And the process is also simple. Once the service request is placed, our call center will coordinate with the customer and update the status. You will get a notification too.
Happy to see the new One Ultratech app is power-packed with all these features required for the business. Amazing! It would help me grow my customer network.
Yes, sure, it will. And let me explain more. In the right corner, you can also see three icons: notification, star, and call.
Yeah, notification is announcements.
Yes, rightly. Here you get updates about your business activities, such as order status, payment status, etc. And also promotional updates from Ultratech.
Okay.
Star icon is for new requests generated from retailers to book orders for them. We will discuss in details later.
Okay, and this calling tab for making quick calls to our Ultratech sales and technical teams, smart move.